Cindy. The boy is high-bottomed. He's in a trap. That was a baby trap.
Oh, you can't get that behind through there.
Now.
Now do it again, smart guy. Do it again. He'll go right back for it.
You're not going to try that again? Huh? He says, let me think about it. Let's see. Do I want to do it again? Do I not?
Oh boy, you really trapped now.
That's right. That is a good little baby jail.
Alright, raise your arm up. I'll get it off.
He's going to stand up with it.
Hey, you can use this as a walker.
There you go.
Now, you lower it to the floor and you hold on to the handles and you got a walker. Oh, sit down.
Put some wheels on that thing.
Let go. Let's put this back. You flopping around like a flounder down there.
Watch him. He's still going to go right back to it. Hey.
Don't you think about it? This floor's wet.
I think you need a diaper change, boy. Like a big old bubble.
A minute ago, and he didn't have much on it.
Come here, big guy.
Could have changed from then to now.
Hey.
No, no, no.
Hey, good thing you didn't have his finger in there.
He'll learn.
Well, he didn't. I mean, he could break his finger in that thing.
Come here, boy. You're becoming a public nuisance. Come here.